Good morning and welcome to all BSc third year students of Fishery Science in online lecture series of paper 15 Fish Economics, Fish Marketing, Fish Cooperatives and Extension. Boys, in this paper we have completed 10 parts in last few periods. In these 10 parts, we have completed definitions of fishery economics, principles of fishery economics, then terms used in fishery economics, goods, then utility, value, cost, then what is meant by demand, definitions of demand, demand schedule, demand curve, law of demand, elasticity of demand, factors affecting on demand. Then we have studied the supply, definitions of supply, supply schedule, then law of supply, then supply curve, facility, elasticity of supply, factors affecting on supply. Then we have seen the cost. All these are to be seen in unit first, and in unit second we have started the fish marketing. In this first point of unit second, fish marketing. Marketing is nothing but the selling of a product, selling of a fish from producers to the consumer's point. That activity is called as fish marketing, which is to be we have seen in last week. Number of definitions which is to be we have seen. These definitions, these are to be nothing but the, or these are to be called as the fish marketing. It is called as fish. That is, fish marketing is the means nothing but the selling of a product, selling of a fish from producer's point up to the consumers, or it is the business activity. All point these are to be run, all point these are to be including, that is storing, segregation, transport, advertising, then freezing, icing, all those points these are to be involved from producer to consumer point of view. Then that activity or that place where such buying and selling of product fish is called as the fish marketing. Now today's part we have see that is characteristics of fish marketing. Today we have studied which are the characteristics of fish marketing in this part. Characteristics of fish marketing. Which are the characteristics of fish marketing? Following are the various important characters of fish marketing. Following are the important characteristics of fish marketing. As first, marketing is an integrated process. Marketing is an integrated process. Marketing is not a single activity. Marketing is not a single activity. It is rather a coordination. Marketing is rather a coordination of several interrelated activities. Several activities these are to be interrelated. Several activities these are to be intermingling to each other. The interaction between different activities given a unique character to the marketing. It is called as the marketing is a integrated process. What is the marketing is an integrated process? Marketing is not a single activity. It is rather a coordination of several interrelated activities. The interaction between different activities given a unique character to the marketing. It is called as the marketing is an integrated process. Second important characteristics of marketing. Marketing is customer oriented. Marketing is customer oriented. Marketing exists to identify. Marketing exists to identify and satisfy. Marketing exists to identify and satisfy the wants of present and potential consumers. Present and potential consumer. Hence, customer is the focus of all marketing activity. The most interesting character or the most interesting point that is given here, that what is the point these are to be given here, that is marketing exists to identify and satisfy the wants of present and potential consumers. मार्केटिंग म्हणजे काय, जे सध्याचे कन्झ्युमर्स आहेत किंवा पुढे येणारे कन्झ्युमर्स आहेत, या कन्झ्युमर्सला काय हवं आहे आणि आपण त्याला काय देऊ शकतो, त्यांचं कसं समाधान करू शकतो हे ओळखणे, हे आयडेंटिफाय करणे म्हणजेच काय, मार्केटिंग. ऑर इट इज ए सिम्पल वे. हेन्स कस्टमर इज द फोकस ऑफ ऑल मार्केटिंग. कस्टमर इज द focus of all marketing activities, and hence marketing is customer oriented. Every marketing system is only and only it is the customer oriented. Customer oriented, those customer these are to be enter in market, and these customer which is want, which thing is to be want, which condition they can satisfy, which condition they can demand, when we can fulfill this demand of consumers or this demand of customer is nothing but the marketing is the customer oriented. Customer oriented, जे कस्टमरला, जे ग्राहकाला हवं आहे, जे पाहिजे ते पुरवणे, जे पाहिजे ते देणे म्हणजेच मार्केटिंग इज द कस्टमर ओरिएंटेड. कस्टमर ओरिएंटेड मार्केट म्हणजे मार्केटच्या कन्झ्युमरला कटला हवा आहे तर कटलाच देणे, सिराना मिरगल हवा आहे सिराना मिरगल देणे, किंवा चन्ना मॉरेलच हवा आहे चन्ना मॉरेलच देणे, किंवा तुम्हाला प्रॉन पाहिजे प्रॉनच देणे. इट इज नॉट रादर दॅन टू, इट इज द मार्केटिंग इज कस्टमर ओरिएंटेड. समजा प्रॉनचं मार्केटिंग आहे आणि तिथं तुम्ही फिश घेऊन गेलात तर फिश कोणी घेणार आहे का, नाही घेणार. तिथं मार्केट कशाचं आहे, प्रॉनचं मार्केट आहे. किंवा आपण सिम्पल भाषेत सांगायचं असेल तर कपडा मार्केट, ज्यूट मार्केट किंवा स्टील मार्केट, लोखंडाचं मार्केट आहे, भांड्याचं मार्केट आहे, तिथं फक्त भांडेच घेतले जातील. जिथं कापडाचं मार्केट तिथं फक्त कापडच भेटलं जाईल. म्हणजे मार्केटिंग इज द कस्टमर ओरिएंटेड. थर्ड इम्पॉर्टंट कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक इज मार्केटिंग इज ए सिस्टीम. मार्केटिंग इज ए सिस्टीम. मार्केटिंग इज ए सिस्टीम. What is meant by marketing is a system? Another important characteristic of marketing is the function as a system. Marketing is a system comprising several subsystems. Marketing is a system comprising several subsystems. Under marketing inputs are drawn. Under marketing inputs are drawn from the society and converted into outputs. Under marketing inputs are drawn from the society and converted into outputs which are supplied to the society. Hence this marketing is a system. Hence this marketing is a system. Marketing is important characteristics of marketing. It is the function as a system. Marketing is a system comprising several subsystems. Under marketing inputs are drawn from the society and converted into outputs which are supplied to the society. Supplied to the society. This is the third important characteristics of fish marketing. Yes. Then fourth important characteristics of fish marketing. Fourth characteristics of fish marketing. Marketing is a part of total environment. Marketing is the part of total environment. Marketing operators within the frame. Marketing operators within the frame work within the framework total environment which comprises economic. Total environment which comprises economic, social, legal, political, international and other forces. All these are called as the marketing is a part of total environment. What is meant by marketing is a part of total environment? Marketing operators within the framework total environment which comprises economic, social, legal, political, international and other forces. Changes in these environment influence the marketing activities due to social, due to legal, due to political or due to international or other forces. These are to be affect on market and market environment. These are to be changed. Market activity these are to be changing due to the politically interfere, due to the legal interfere or due to the society interfere. Hence it is a dynamic process and is keep on adjusting. It is to be keep on adjusting the changing environment. That's why the marketing is a part of total environment. Marketing is the creative. Marketing is a creative. What is meant by marketing is a creative? Marketing creative time, marketing creative place and possession utilities. The time utility is created by processing goods for use in future. Place utility is created by carrying goods to places where they are needed, and marketing creates possessions utility by transferring product and services from producer to consumer. All of these are called as marketing is a creative. Marketing is a creative. Marketing creates time, place and possession utilities. The time utility is created by preserving goods for use in future. Place utility is created by carrying goods to places where they are needed, and marketing creates possession utility by transferring products and services from producer to consumer. Exchange process between buyer and seller. Exchange process between buyer and seller is the essential elements in marketing. Is the essential element in marketing. That is, exchange process between buyer and seller is the essential elements in marketing. And all these are nothing but the marketing is a creative. Sixth important characteristics of fish marketing. Which are these? Marketing is a goal oriented. Again, it is important. Sixth characteristics of marketing is a goal oriented. Of the many important characteristics of marketing, one very important aspect is its goal is, or it is goal oriented. Market is goal oriented. Marketing seeks to achieve benefits for both buyer and sellers. That's why it is to be called as goal oriented. काहीतरी उद्देश ओरिएंटेड की ज्याला आपण म्हणतो काहीतरी ध्येय. ऑफ द अबोव many important characteristics, marketing is one very important aspect, and it is the goal oriented. Marketing seeks to achieve benefits for both buyer and seller, and hence it is called as marketing is a goal oriented. Marketing is a goal oriented. Then seventh important characteristics, marketing is pervasive. Marketing is pervasive or pervasive. Marketing is a required in business as well as in social and other organization. Marketing is required in business as well as in social and other organization. Marketing is necessary for spreading socially. Marketing is necessary for spreading socially useful ideas and programs. Useful ideas and programs. Family planning, adult education, communal harmony, national integration, environmental protection. All these things, these are to be studied. All these are to be found in market, and hence marketing is a pervasive. Marketing is required in business as well as in social and other organization, and marketing is necessary for spreading. मार्केटमधून काय काय स्प्रेड होतं, मार्केटमधून काय काय बाहेर ॲक्टिव्हिटीज केल्या जातात. सोशियली युजफुल आयडियाज अँड प्रोग्राम. समाजामध्ये सामाजिक आणि वेगवेगळे आयडियाज, वेगवेगळे ॲक्टिव्हिटीज कशा घ्याव्यात, ॲक्टिव्हिटीज कशा परफॉर्म कराव्यात, प्रोग्राम कसे करावे, हे कुठून सुचलं जातं मार्केटिंगमध्ये. फॅमिली प्लॅनिंग कशी करायची, कुटुंबाचं कसं आर्थिक नियोजन करायचं, कुटुंबाचं कसं आर्थिक प्लॅनिंग करायची, फॅमिली प्लॅनिंग. अडल्ट एज्युकेशन, वृद्धाचं एज्युकेशन. देन कम्युनल हार्मोनी, जातीमध्ये धर्मामध्ये कसं एक वाक्यता राहील, धर्मामध्ये प्रत्येक जातीमध्ये कशी सहिष्णुता राहील, सहिष्णुता कशी वाढवता येईल, हे कुठून आपण पाहतो. इट इज ए मार्केटिंग परव्हॅसिव्ह. नॅशनल इंटिग्रेशन, राष्ट्रीय एकात्मता, environmental protection, all these points, these are to be discussed, these are to be found in marketing, and that's why marketing is a pervasive. Marketing is a pervasive activity which is to be occur in market. Next, marketing or perceivability of a commodity. Remember that perceivability of a commodity. मार्केट में जे काही कमोडिटी आहे, जे काही गुड्स आहे, जे काही प्रॉडक्ट आहे, these are to be perceivable commodities. काही मार्केटमध्ये परसेबल म्हणजे सडणारे किंवा कमी कालावधीमध्ये, थोड्या कालावधीमध्ये नाश पावणारे, थोडक्यात टमाटे असतील, दूध असेल किंवा व्हेजिटेबल्स असतील. दीज आर द परसिएबल कमोडिटीज, अँड दीज कमोडिटी दीज आर टू बी डिकम्पोज, दीज आर टू बी within short time, 1 or 2 days, these are to be spoiled, these are to be lost. Seasonal concentration of landing. Seasonal concentration, another important characteristics is the seasonal concentration of landing. कालानुरूप, वेळेनुरूप किंवा स्थलानुरूप जेव्हा कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ लँडिंग वाढतं किंवा कमी जास्त सिजनल, उन्हाळा असेल वेगळा असेल, पावसाळा असेल वेगळा असेल, हिवाळा असेल वेगळा असेल, किंवा अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग किंवा ॲट द टाईम ऑफ इव्हिनिंग, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द सीझन the concentration of landing these are to be depend concentration of landing these are to be enter into the market. It is another important character. Then scattered landing places in marketing in India is a large and vast country. In this India, the places of marketing these are very large, numerous, but these are to be scattered every place, and this scattering system is to be very very vast. These scattered landing places these are to be more remote and more it is to be unfacilitatable. That's why it is to be more time consuming and more, that is economy as well as energy is to be required for the coming to one place. Then next, small quantity produced by each fisherman, small quantity produced by each fisherman to be assembled, sorted and transported. Those are the small fishermen. Those can capture caught fishes from 5 kg, 10 kg. All these fishermen, all these small quantity produced by each fisherman to be assembled, to be sorted and to be transported to the different place. It is to be done only and only in marketing. Then non-uniformity of landing, quantity, freshness and size. Again it is the most interesting, most crucial factor in marketing. Non-uniformity, एक वाक्यता नाही. कशाची? नॉन युनिफॉर्मिटी ऑफ लँडिंग आज एका साईडला कमी फिश होतील, दुसऱ्या साईडला जास्त होतील. मीन्स फिश लँडिंग दीज आर टू बी डन इन सम डेज, फिशेस दीज आर टू बी कॅप्चर्ड मोर फिशेस. इन अदर प्लेसेस दीज आर टू बी डू नॉट कॅप्चर्ड सेकंड डे. Means landing uniformity is to be different. One place fishes catch more quantity, other place no fishes these are to be caught captured. These are the landing non-uniformity. Then quantity, sometime one place these are to be caught captured 2 quintal fishes, sometime same place no fish these are to be caught, no fishes these are to be captured. Means quantity is to be not uniform, these are to be not same. Freshness also again, some fishes these are to be spoiled, some are to be dead fishes and some are to be fresh. Means freshness is to be again not uniform, not same as at all fishes these are to be caught captured. And size is also same, non-uniformity, some are small fishes, some are medium fishes, some are large fishes. Non-uniformity of landing, quantity, freshness and size, it is the interesting characters of fish marketing. Handling and treatment, icing, freezing, curing and packaging, it is also again non-uniform. Handling and treatment, every person have not handled the same way, same manner, again there is non-uniformity. Icing, same condition not is to be found. Freezing is to be not occur. Curing, packing, all these are non-uniform condition which is to be found in market, and that's why the fish or the product these are to be different, variable from market to market and place to place. And large number of intermediaries involved. Today in market of India, instead of consumers and instead of producers, the intermediaries these are to be involved, and the link of these intermediaries is very vast, very high. And due to these intermediaries, both producers and consumers these are to be lost. They have not benefited due to intermediaries. These are to be more earn the benefit from the fish marketing industry. That's why these intermediaries these are to be removed, and when producer direct sell their product to the consumer, they can minimize benefited some price as well as the consumers are benefited for the selling the price. With this, these are the few characteristics we have seen here. These characteristics these are to be important, these are to be determining the fish marketing system of India, and these intermediaries these are the more involved in Indian fish market, and these intermediaries these are to be minimized as possible as then the price is also good and it is benefited for producer as well as consumers. Hope all these characteristics we have understood. In next part we have see the next article. Up to here we have seen the characteristics of fish marketing. Thank you all of you. Any problem please ask.